E.T. Momavish. Sit down, sit down.
From the treasury benches. But what exactly is the truth? If we ask a question to ourselves, whether the government did what they are supposed to do, the reply will be nothing. They were taking only a lukewarm attitude in this. Sir, WHO declared health emergency worldwide in January 2020, when the most of the countries were making maximum preparedness to meet the challenges. What we were doing here, you are putting the beautiful slogan, Namaste Trump and Hello Trump. Your announcement for Cattle Revolution, Diya Revolution, Barton Bajao, all these things ended in a mockery. Sir, your strategy of declaring the Korean lockdown at the midnight of 25th March 2020 was a senseless thing. There is no words to explain the hellish experience our brothers, migrant workers, had witnessed. Serious loud thinking is required here. Need for scaling up of financial protection scheme for the unaffordable poor people is the most important thing in this. With regard to healthcare intervention, larger healthcare goals at minimum cost should be the motto of the nation. Increasing overall growth rate of Indian economy and increasing the budget allocation to healthcare both are interlinked. Have you ever thought of health sector related to issue in this country? Poor health care spending is still continuing. Poor health infrastructure is also another problem. Sir, widening the health insurance, have you thought of it? Adequate manpower shortage in the health sector, that also is a burning problem. Sir, your government is having a handicap. That is what? Instead of admitting your own mistake and taking remedial action, you are doing what? Handing over the baby to somebody else. I will tell you an example. Sir, one of your cabinet minister, I don't want to name him because that is against the procedure. You know what he did? Sir, he described poor Tabligh Jamaat people. He said, Taliban Jamaati people. Sir, this kind of senseless thing a minister saying, then what happened, sir? He made all these things. Finally, sir, Aurangabad bench of Mumbai High Court, they said, categorically said, this is all meaningless things. He gave a befitting reply to this kind of things. Sir, I demand, in the light of Aurangabad High Court, this minister should apologize for his senseless utterance. That's what I am demanding. Sir, now we have to come to the ground reality. Sir, your team, what they are doing, in between this COVID crisis, sir, you are spreading communal violence. This kind of things. Sir, 2-3 days back, an MP, who was a medical professional also, he was saying that this country is going to have oxygen shortage. Sir, when I heard that, I was really shocked about that. Sir,
Please
we have to be, I am concluding, sir.
Yes.
We have to be very careful because, sir, this disease itself is connected with the treatment, connected with this oxygen and kind of things. But what is happening? If that shortage is there, kindly take timely program of action to have oxygen sufficiency. I read your news that India is having oxygen surplus.
Yes.
These kind of things, you have to think loudly. Okay. Sir, with your kind permission, I am going to conclude. Sir, instead of making tall claims, false claim, admit the mistake, and take remedial action. With this few suggestions, sir, I conclude. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.